Hello, it's Dr. Devin Miles. I'm here at Let Us Live, which is a garden in Buffalo Run Park in Missouri City, Texas. And they grow a lot of different crops, a lot of produce and herbs. You can come Tuesdays and Saturdays, 8 to 10:30, to learn how to grow different crops. They'll also be starting a co-op in the fall, and this is the owner, Karina Polk. So I wanted to tell you about one of the herbs here, which is thyme. Thyme is great for spasmodic conditions of the respiratory and the urinary tract. It's a good expectorant, so if you need to cough something up, it can be helpful for that. It's antispasmodic, antibacterial, antifungal. It's a diuretic, so it can help release fluid from the body. A great bronchodilator, awesome for the immune system in general. Also good for whooping cough, bronchitis, and other infectious bronchoconstrictive respiratory conditions. Thyme. So it's letuslive.org. You can also check them out on Instagram and Facebook at Let Us Live.